That he did not make the cut when the JSC put out its shortlist for CJ candidates was widely attributed to his stand on the presidency, while the commission made it clear it was looking for a Chief Justice who would work well with other arms of government. US-based human rights activist and scholar Professor Makau Mutua's 2013 tweet on the legitimacy of Uhuru Kenyatta's presidency would come into focus during the interview Wednesday.
What you do exactly right?
What I tweeted was, as a matter of the freedom of conscience and thought, I will not recognize Uhuru Kenyatta as the president of Kenya. I can't and I won't.
That was 3 years ago. His view now.
I have never said that Mr. Kenyatta was not declared president and confirmed as such by our Supreme Court. I have said that I disagreed with the opinion of the court, but I respect the opinion of the court.
You would have very little difficulty from accepting the oath of office from the President of the Republic of Kenya.
If I was appointed the Chief Justice, I would have no trouble working with Mr. Kenyatta, who is the President of the Republic of Kenya.
This interview would quickly turn to be a battle of legal minds. Attorney General Professor Gethu Muigai and Makau going head-to-head, and the involvement in the ICC Kenyan cases against President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto coming to the fore as well.
Did you become involved in the preparation of the cases?
If I was an intermediary of the ICC, you would have known about it.
So you didn't procure witnesses, you didn't record statements, you didn't provide safe passage?
I was never involved in encouraging or helping or working with witnesses.
Yes.
I trained prosecutors and investigators of the ICC.
His exile in the 80s has seen him acquire dual citizenship in Kenya and the US. Should he be considered for the job?
But I would want to know, are you a citizen of any other country?
Why is that question important?
It is absolutely important. Would you be willing to renounce the citizenship of a third country if you became the head of the third arm of government in the Democratic Republic of Kenya?
Absolutely.
And should he be the next CJ, he would like to be remembered as the president of the Supreme Court that restored confidence in the judiciary, picking up from where Dr. Willie Mutunga left. With questions on his dual citizenship and just how well he would work with the other arms of government in the wake of his public past pronouncements, the question begs, was it enough to convince this particular panel that they were wrong in not having him shortlisted to begin with and even have him head this apex court? Closing this chapter in the search for Chief Justice will be Supreme Court Judge Jackton Boma Ojwang. Jackie Maribe, Citizen TV at the Supreme Court buildings, Nairobi.